Yeah, hello, my name is Jean-Pierre Haug. Actually, I'm working for TESTEX in more than 30 years and would like to tell you something about the history of ECO Passport, which was originally developed by TESTEX in Switzerland. Actually, the roots of ECO Passport goes back to the middle of the 90s. At that time, we have certified paraffin rings from Reseda Binder, a well-known producer of paraffin rings, according to the already introduced OEKO-TEX standard 100. The OEKO-TEX Association has said we should refrain in future from renewing this certificate because the paraffin rings were regarded not as an accessory or add-on to textiles, but as a chemical. And the scope of OEKO-TEX standard 100 forbids to certify chemicals. And then we have invented the OEKO-Pass in German, or in English the ECO-Pass, exactly for this customer. We used exactly the same principles, the same testing methods, the same limit values as for the textiles and accessories we have certified so far for them. Actually, we did certify the paraffin rings since ever, but later we expanded the concept also to other auxiliaries and dyes, and we worked for some of the producers of that chemicals that are used in the processing of textiles later in dyeing and finishing. At the beginning of the millennium, actually, the concept was also introduced to a few other OEKO-TEX members, which also used the same concept, normal testing as for standard 100, but for chemicals. And as a consequence, 10 years ago, the OEKO-Pass concept was then transformed into an OEKO-TEX product. And since then, all OEKO-TEX members can certify chemicals, dyes, auxiliaries used in the textile industry according to the ECO Passport. The development actually was quite successful. We have now more than 2,000 certificates for approximately 1,400 different companies, and in total more than 60,000 of different products, dyes, chemicals, but still also the paraffin rings from Reseda are certified according to the ECO Passport. And final comment, TESTEX is very proud that we have been the starting point of a very successful story in the textile industry, that we have tested already chemicals for the use in the textile industry, and that they can be assured that they will not have any problems later on with restricted substance list, and in that way that we can support the textile industry all over the world together with the chemical industry.